What's going on, guys? This is Titan, AKT, if you're only following me on social media and not within the Discord group. In this video, I'm going to go over what I think the stock market is going to do next. I'm also going to go over a stock that I think is going to take off soon. I'm also going to go over some other stocks that members have brought to my attention, and I think that's pretty much it. So if you like that, if you're interested in that kind of content, leave a like, subscribe, comment below your thoughts on the stock market. And without further ado, let's get right to it. First off, I just want to point out, I just want to point how beautiful I just plotted this. Okay, look at this. What? If you paid attention to my last video, right? I drew this out in my last video and none of this was here. I said, this is what I think is the stock market, the SPY is going to do, and look what happened. I drew this out and it followed it down to the T. Let me zoom in case y'all can't see that. In case, look at that. Look at that prediction. Quality. All right, anyway. I clicked on it and I was like, yo, what? I got that so on point. But I did say in my last video that I do think the stock market is going to have a little pullback. We do have CPI reports tomorrow morning, so that is probably why the stock market is acting the way it is. However, it's not a crazy pullback, okay? It's not too crazy. Do I think the stock market is going to continue to go up? It really depends on the CPI reports tomorrow. I can't predict the future, anything like that. I don't see us going too crazy downwards, but I do think we could potentially see maybe a lower move, all right? Just a little bit lower, nothing crazy. I still think the SPY can see that 480 mark, okay? I mean, what? Look at this. Look at this. Go to my last video and see how I drew this out, and you'll be impressed. You should be impressed. You better be impressed, all right? But anyway, that's my thoughts on the stock market. I do still think we have a target. I still do think we still have a target of 475, 480 range. I think it's going to happen sometime this week. Okay, tomorrow is going to be tricky. Okay, we'll see how the CPI reports turn out and go from there. Okay, but at worst, we potentially see. I don't even want to erase this drawing because it was just so spot on. I just really don't. Okay, but anyway, let's go over Tesla. Okay, so in my last video, I said I think Tesla is pretty much done. Okay, and I think the video before that I said Tesla is going to see 1250, and then that's it. Okay, and we got that. We didn't get exactly 1250, of course, but it was 1243, and we got that. And let me tell you, members in the group have profited off of that. I don't know if they paid attention to this video. I don't even know if they did it on their own, but I've been talking about Tesla for the longest on this channel. So I've been saying it's going to go up since 800. And then I said it's going to hit 1250 and then it's going to plummet. So I don't know if they paid attention to that or they just YOLO'd it, or maybe they paid attention to the Elon Musk video that I posted about Elon Musk potentially selling his shares on Twitter. I don't know. I'm hoping that's the case. I want some type of credit though, like maybe 2% credit for all that profit. We had someone make like $8,000 on the play. We had someone make like $700 on the play. So it's on the puts. So yeah, that's crazy, man. That's really crazy. So congratulations to you guys, whether you follow me or not, or maybe you YOLO'd, I don't know, but that was absolutely insane. And if you've been making profit since I've been calling Tesla to the upside, congratulations on that as well. It's been a ride, okay? It's been a ride. We are at support here. I do think we could potentially see Tesla hit about low 1000s, which we're kind of really at right now. I haven't seen what after hours look like, but we could see that low 1000s, maybe 950. 950 is a good target to buy at. 900 is even better, but we could see a retest of 1000 before another move up. Okay, again, that all depends on tomorrow's CPI reports and whatever else, but Tesla has been dragging the market down. And we've seen how Tesla did the market when it was moving up. It was taking the market up with it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I wouldn't chase this. Okay, I wouldn't chase this until we get something for sure. So, members, if you've been watching the videos and you've been trading based off the videos, you be happy with the money you made. All right, don't get back in here and do too much. Okay, don't be greedy. Okay, just don't be greedy. Okay, it's really tricky. Let's look at a shorter time frame. Yeah, I wouldn't touch this. I wouldn't touch this at all. All right. I mean, we are at actually. I mean, we are at support. Okay, we are at a decent support here, as you guys can see, right? So here, boom. Okay, boom. There we go. So actually, I don't know. I don't know. It looks good. It actually looks good. I mean, we got price rejection here, all up in here. Very strong support here. So yeah, I think it actually is looking really good for Tesla. We could see another move up tomorrow. It's probably already up during after hours because that's what Tesla does. It likes to jump during after hours. So I don't know. It looks good. I mean, there's not a lot of sellers here anymore. Let's look at a different time frame. Yeah. That looks solid. Okay. So if we get a green candle, then I think we can a nice big green candle with volume. Then that might be the time to jump into Tesla. But otherwise, it does look tempting. It looks very tempting. But anyway, the stock that I think is going to go parabolic soon is Disney. All right, Disney. I like Disney. Okay, now this is gonna be a minute. All right, this is gonna be a while that I explain this, guys. Okay, because there's a lot of things that comes into play into this. So first, we got to keep in mind that tomorrow Disney does have earnings. Okay, November 10th, I believe that is tomorrow. Tomorrow, November 10th, after hours, Disney does have earnings. Okay, now before I get into the technical analysis side, right? I think Disney has the potential to play a part in the metaverse. I mean, think about it. Think about Disney. Just really think about Disney. This is Disney we're talking about. And I think if they play a part in the metaverse, this thing can go absolutely insane. We're talking about Disney NFTs. We're talking about Disney cryptocurrency, Disney tokens, things like that. And then if you put like a Disney amusement park within the metaverse, absolutely insane. If they announce like a partnership within the metaverse, absolutely insane. So they do have earnings tomorrow, and that is possible. I don't know. That would be absolutely insane if that could happen, if that does happen. And it may not happen, anytime soon, but I think that's just a potential future for Disney. A very high potential future for Disney. Not only that, I was on TikTok yesterday, and this guy was doing a prank call on Disney, and he was trying to rent out the whole amusement park. And Disney said the person on the phone said they are booked all the way to July, so he can't book out the whole amusement park. Now, I don't know exactly how long ago that video was, but for TikTok to show it like yesterday, just from me scrolling, it had to be pretty recent. So I probably should have checked the date on that. So yeah, call Disney and see. They might actually be earnings. Okay, earnings is 50-50. It's a gamble, but they might just be earnings. Okay, but it even gets better, right? So if we draw this out, if we draw Disney out, okay, check this out. What am I doing? Look at how strong this support is. Look how strong that is. Disney cannot break below this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It just keeps bouncing off this support. It cannot get past it. Okay, so that's one reason I think this is a good buy zone for Disney, right? Possibly around that 170, 168. Okay, 170, 168 is a good buy zone. Even now, it's a good buy zone. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, remember that. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, but not only that, but it gets better, right? It gets much better, right? Look at this. Look at this. I promise I'm not trying to force it. Hold on. Somebody's like, he's trying to force it. No, I'm not. Close enough. But look at that. what? Like, look at the uptrend, right? So, I mean, what more do you need, right? The only thing that bothers me, okay, the only thing that really bothers me, right, is this gap down here. That's the only thing that bothers me. It's at the 131 range. That bothers me. So, do I think Disney can go all the way to 130 just off a bad earnings report? That's hard for me to see that happening. Okay, that's really, really hard for me to see Disney do something like that. Now, necessarily, it can have bad earnings and drop to like 160 and then continue its way down to fill that gap. But that's really the only thing that I see as a problem here. And I mean, hold on. And I mean, look at this. If we go on the daily time frame, right? It's the same thing. Look how strong the support is. It won't break. And then, you know, we got this little gap here as well. So tomorrow, all day tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if we see Disney start heading down towards that 170 to fill this gap real quick. Maybe they beat earnings and then take off. That's the move I'm thinking could happen. And I mean, only thing that the 4 hour, you know, and even the 4 hour MACD's crossing to the downside, same thing. You know, we got an engulfing bearish pattern here. Same thing, and then that's why I say it's probably going to fill that gap in tomorrow, not the 130 gap, but you know that's the shorter time frame gap, and then make its way up during earnings. Now, do I know for a fact that it's going to be earnings? I absolutely don't know, guys. There's no predicting that. I'm sorry, but let's say it does go all the way down here to 131. That is a beautiful buy. If that happens, I am all in on Disney. I'm all in. That is a beautiful price to get in on Disney. We got the economy opening back up. We got the infrastructure bit. We got all this stuff happening. And I just think Disney is a really good buy zone at the 130 range. If it just so happens to break this support. But even now, I'm personally willing to risk it and do a YOLO play on this and risk it because the support is strong, the uptrend is strong. I mean, what more do you want? You know, what more do you want? And based off everything I said, you can really consider it. You should really, really consider it. I'm not a financial advisor, but just watch Disney. Just watch Disney tomorrow. See how it reacts. If you want to play it, if you have the capital to say YOLO, I'm going in, you know, go for it. Just keep in mind everything I said. This gap could potentially get filled in the near future, or it may take longer. But we don't know. Consider the NFT, the potential NFT. Consider a Disney token. Consider Disney actually entering the metaverse. Like, really consider this stock for long-term purposes. All right, I'm not gonna drag it. You got it right here. You're looking dead at it. All right, you do what you want with that information. All right. So a stock that I want to go over that someone in the group was actually interested in is Pinterest. No, seriously, look at Disney. Just look at it. All right. Look at Disney, man. All right. But anyway, Pinterest, right? So somebody wanted me to look at Pinterest in the group. All right. I told them I like it here. I actually like Pinterest here. If we look at the weekly chart, right? Look at this. Boom. 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 There we go. I like Pinterest here. Okay. However, I would like Pinterest better at a much stronger support zone. Okay, what's happening? I would like Pinterest around 33 to 35. Anything under 40 is a great price for Pinterest. That's where I personally would want Pinterest at. Look at it, right? Boom. Hold on. Boom. Boom. Okay. Even here. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Boom. Boom. I should have just drew a zone. I don't even know why I did all that line crap. But yeah, otherwise, I actually like Pinterest here. So what I would do personally is that I would dollar cost average. right? So all you're doing, you buy some pin interest here. You made, let's say you got $100, okay? Not $100. You got $500, right? You put $100 in pin interest here. No, not even 100. You put like $200 into pin interest here, and then if pin interest drops down to about maybe 40, you put another, I don't know. The math is just completely off right now. Don't. Yeah, we're not even going to talk about the math. I just tried to do. But overall, basically, the more it goes down, the more you put in. So you'll put $100 here, you put $150 here, and then you put $250 here. Actually, that worked out. That worked out really well. I legit just whimmed that. Okay, so $500. So yeah, you do. What I say? $100 here, right? So let's do it. Let's say you got $500. You do $100 here. If it goes down to $40, you do wherever $40 is at. You do another $150 here, and then let's say it goes down to 35 or 36 or whatever. Then you do the rest of your money here. That's how you dollar cost average. That's how you get the best average. I would love pin interest at $35. However, this is still a good price to buy in at. Like, honestly, it is. I'm not like, yeah, seriously. Okay. And is there anything else? I believe that's it. Oh, congratulations on people who played the Roblox earnings yesterday. I did alert to buy shares into Roblox, like, I believe last week. We can actually look at it, right? We can look at it. What is this? I don't know. I understand. But anyway, as you guys can see, Roblox current price $84. Roblox shot all the way. I don't even know where it's at right now. It's like at 105. So I did alert that. When was this? The 31st. Yeah, that was last week. So congratulations to everybody who took Roblox, but more so than ever, congratulations to the person who took Roblox as a trade and made $9,000 off the trade. $9,000. I think he invested like $400, $450 or something like that. Like, I don't even know, man. So I got some crazy people in the group, man. We got crazy people that be crazy. They just be crazy, man. They just be going off and they just collect. Okay, they make the crazy plays. Okay, they do the YOLO plays, and sometimes you got to make that YOLO play happen on earnings. So hint, hint, Disney. But otherwise, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to get the quality better. I'm going to get everything better within the video, camera, microphone, all that fun stuff. Even some, like, you know, fun little transitions and memes and things. I really want the channel to be more entertaining to watch versus some super educational, just really strict channel. I don't. That's not me. Okay, but if you like the content, if you want to get into plays as early as us, if you want to kind of get my more detailed idea on Disney and things like that, Patreon link is below. Join the Discord. We're a small group. We're a small little, group and everything, but we're slowly growing. I love the group and everything. I love how far we have come. We do crypto. We do stocks. We're dibbling and dabbling in NFTs, but I'm one person right now. Can't do it all. But if you want the alerts, you want the investments, you want the trades, join the group. Again, this link is below. Like, subscribe, comment on the video, show your support, and yeah, that's it. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.